get this spin ready. Oh, you can do dog. You know, let's tell them.
Okay, this girl deserves
Autopilot. You drive. Attention! There's a rule that no pet shall be allowed. Am I right? Am I making myself clear? Now let's go back. Oh my gosh. Autopilot off. You know what? Let me check again. Hello. Bye-bye. Let's go.
I think I should name Casey's cat. I think I should name her Valentina. That's pretty good.
Okay.